Hi, hello guys, it's me again, Maria. And now let's go to Canva homepage and let's create a presentation. Okay, click the presentation and click the blank template. So I'm gonna use the blank template here so that we can design our own Bitmoji. Okay, so just scroll down there and you will see there Bitmoji. Okay, click that one and I'm going to connect my Bitmoji into Canva. Okay, so you need to install an apps about Bitmoji, but I have my Bitmoji on my Snapchat on my phone. So if you don't have that, go to your phone and download the Snapchat, and then you can connect it to Canva. So you're going to sign in your Snapchat account, sign in to Canva, and once you fill up that box, then click continue, and then it will connect to Canva already. So now this is all the Bitmoji that I have on my Snapchat that I downloaded into my phone. So you see that there's so many emojis that you can use for your presentation, or you can create a gift of that. So I'm going to create a Bitmoji using blank template. Or you can also use this ready-made template. You can just customize it. But in this tutorial, I'm gonna use the blank template, and here are the colors background that you want to use if you want to. So you just scroll down and you can choose the color that you want. Okay, so now I choose this Bitmoji. Looks like I'm chilling on the beach, and I want to create a background that I'm on the beach. So just write on the search bar beach, and it will give you a lot of template uh, that you can use into that emoji. All right, so I'm gonna choose videos. So I want my background is kind of moving, so I'm gonna choose this one. There you go, and I'm just gonna try to fit it into this template, and I need to bring my Bitmoji into the front. So click that position, and over there you see the top front, so that now I'm on the front. Okay, I need to adjust this one. Okay, and then I'm going to put my Bitmoji somewhere, maybe there nearby the tree. There you go. You can drag it wherever you want, but yeah. So I'm gonna put it there nearby the tree, and I think I need to remove the background. Okay, since my background is already there, so I don't need the background. So click the background remover. So if you are in a pro account, you can use the background remover, but if you're on a free account, you cannot use the background remover. All right, so now you see that. Oh, that's so cute. So now I'm just chilling on the beach under the tree. And then if you're good with that, you can download it. Okay, just click on the share on the top right and you can download it. Or you can put some text. So click the text and click the title of your video. Since I'm using this for my thumbnail, I'm gonna try how to use Bitmoji using Canva. And you can also choose the fonts that you want for your text. Just scroll down there and choose the fonts that you want. And then I'm gonna drag this heading maybe here at the bottom. There you go. There you go. Okay. So once you've done with that, oh, I see some like octopus there. So I'm gonna get that one too and put on the other side of the beach. There you go. It's all me. It looks like me. It's so cute, right? Yeah, you can just drag it whenever you want. You can adjust it if you want to. All right, there you go. I think that's cool. All right, then I'm gonna share it. I'm gonna download it. You can share it to your social media, or you can download it to your computer. All right, so I'm gonna download that, and then let's go back again and let's try another one. So now I'm gonna use mobile video. Okay, so the size of this is the size of your phone. So I'm gonna go to elements and get some elements here. I think I want to use some gradient color. So you can choose any gradient color that you want. Just keep playing with these guys. There are a lot of templates or graphics that you can use, and you can choose the color you want, the combination. Look at that. So I think I might choose, you can also choose the one that, related to the elements that you want to. For the background, you can change that too. You see that there's shadows. Yes, just scroll or just click that see all so that you can see all of the gradient style. But I'm gonna change this into a moving video. So I am gonna change this. I'm gonna delete this one. I'm just gonna show you guys that you can do a lot of design here for the background. So I'm gonna use this one because I want it that kind of moving. You see the wave. All right, so let's go to my Bitmoji on your left side. If you don't see it, just click the apps and then you will see the Bitmoji. Okay, now I'm gonna choose one of my Bitmoji here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this live, laugh, and love. Yes. So this is the size of a cell phone of your phone. I think 9 by 16. And then I'm gonna put, let's put some text there. Might say like hello. And then you can post this into your social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Just write something in there, and there you go. So now I have my Bitmoji on 9 by 16, which is the size of your phone. And then I'm gonna share this or download it if you want to. Or you can write any messages on top instead of hello. I just write hello for the sake of this tutorial. Or you can add more Bitmoji if you want to just keep scrolling and